Welcome to the Dyness Technical Support Center. Today we'll guide you to know more about tower expansion, how to add a new module. The tower series offers 5 capacity options. A single tower employs up to 6 battery modules. So if your system is a tower T21, you cannot expand it by adding new modules to the original tower. The principle of expansion is to charge all modules to 100%. Ensuring the voltages are consistent. Although the tower has auto-balancing function, but if the voltage gap is too large, it may take a long time to balance and may harm the batteries. Therefore, this process is also called manual balancing. If your existing modules have been used for more than 6 months, we do not recommend expansion.
Due to the nature of LFP batteries, new and old modules may have different activity causing SOC jump. If that happens, manual balancing have to be performed again. There are 2 ways to perform manual balancing. One is using the inverter, and the other is using the DC voltage source. We recommend the DC voltage source method. Steps are easier. First, we'll show how to do inverter balancing. Discharge the original tower to 10%. This is to make sure the voltage of the new module is the highest. Second, install the new module on the top of the tower. Charge SOC to 100% with the inverter. At this point, only the new module is fully charged. Fourth, remove the new module. Fifth, discharge the tower to 90% and then charge to 100%. These steps can recalibrate the tower SOC. Sixth, reinstall the new module and the expansion is complete. Next, we'll show how to do DC charge balancing. First, fully charge the original tower to 100% with the inverter. Second, connect the BDU to the new module. Third, set the DC voltage source to 108 volts 5 ampere. Fourth, connect it to the BDU and start charging. If you hear a click sound or the current drops to 0, charging is complete. Fifth, add the new module to the tower, the expansion ends. That's the principle and precautions of expanding the capacity of tower products by adding new modules. For more assistance, please contact Dyness after-sales service team. Thanks for watching this troubleshooting video. Follow Dyness for your energy future.